1, 2, are we live? Hey, what's up, everyone? So today is the 7th day of building our full stack application with React and Node.js. This full stack application will be the real estate application where users can see the house listings for sale and for rent, and also will be able to go through registration and submit their own houses. And this project is being built on React, and we'll use Node.js to create backend server and create SQL database to store houses, and yeah, to populate it with houses. And yeah, so it's the 7th day of building this. This is our progress, and the last stream, which was I think yesterday, got crashed at some point. I hope it won't happen the same today. It got crashed because of this OBS issue with dropped frames, I guess, or something similar. So I need to keep an eye on this so it won't happen again. And yeah, so basically I was streaming for 3 hours in that video, and in 1 hour and 30 or 40 minutes it got crashed. The stream got crashed, so very important part got missed. What I was doing is I was creating the advanced filter. We have the state management Zustand. We set up the Zustand, and I was applying the filters, logical filters, and for someone who is interested in learning applying filters with Zustand, it's very interesting. So basically, the video got crashed, and I will today go through what I did last time with this Zustand. So go through the logic to see one more time. And we made so this, the issue was with Zustand, the filters was being applied. For example, we have 5 houses here, and we have to choose the type, either house or apartment, and the filter was being applied correctly, like here. But once you start applying another filter, like searching through location, then it was the current filter was being overwritten with the new one. So basically it would just ignore your current filter and filter with the new. So this got fixed, so in the previous video, and now it maintains the current filter applied. So this type works, location works. Location is being a filter. This location basically filters any matching string with the house has like different fields like city, district, street. So if it matches any of those, it's being applied. And keyword search is just the title of the house. So yeah, that's it. And also I applied the full price like input. So let's test. For example, the minimum price, let's say million, 10, 100 million. It shows you it, so it works. And the same to like maximum price. So you set the maximum price to be like $10, 100 million. So it shows you. And there was like different cases with this. For example, if you type a string, it ignores and shows you everything. So there are like small details which got missed in the video, how this previous stream, how this input handles. For example, when you like type numbers, and once you delete it, it got a bug. So it wouldn't display the houses again because this empty string, this input would turn to empty string, and empty string is a false value in JavaScript. So like there are many details which are being missed, unfortunately. So I think it's no point of going through them and talking through them in the video, in the live. I will just continue with trying to implement some new features for the viewers. So yeah, basically that's what I wanted to say. And we will continue now to, yeah, so this is the original website which we are implementing. Maybe later, once everything is done, it's possible to just change some things, not to make this look exactly the same. So yeah, like here is advanced search. I didn't want to implement the exact same prices like here, like I mean choosing the price. So this option, two inputs, minimum, maximum, looked more attractive to me. And also, yeah, square meters, square meter. Let me check. I think this also is already finished. Let's see. For example, minimum. Minimum square meters. Let's set 200. If it filters out, yep, it filtered out. So it's also working. That's good. So we can continue with the rest of the advanced filters. Now let's take a look what we have here. So yeah, this is actually more interesting now. First of all, rooms, bathrooms, bedrooms type. These ones we can ignore. Rooms and bathroom, and amenities. Amenities is also interesting to work on. One second. Let's just open up the chat just in case. Was muted. Okay, let's go. We can continue. We can start working on rooms and applying rooms and bathrooms. Filtering out like that, I guess. Let's say 2 rooms. Okay. The rooms. And then I just remembered right now. Okay, so I will upload this to GitHub, and while implementing new features, I will be updating it. So the link will be in the description in the video, so you can check. And yeah, you will find everything. Like everything is like folder structure is more or less organized. The filter you can find in the house store. Yeah, so let's go. Let's continue just a second. Yeah, so amenities. First of all, let's implement the rooms and bathrooms input. So I was using the material UI for this. We have this installed locally. So maybe just check for the select statement, select input component. What does Material UI offer? Material UI. Okay, so what's selection? Okay, we need some coding music, I think, for boosting creativity. Um, where is it? Yeah, more, I was looking for this one.
Studio, the platform for agencies and enterprises. Kickoff project.
Okay, so definitely not this one. Okay, let's see. Tailwind CSS. Select input. Like, yeah, can use some of this in maybe like simple this one, I guess. Okay. Select component. Okay, I think we can use this one. Let's go to the code, and first let's locate the input that we created, reusable inputs. So we have this advanced search component, and inside of it we have components. We have amount input, which is Material UI, and let's create select, I guess, select input. Okay, now we can start importing components, material UI components, and let's see. Okay. So this should be located below the price input. And where is our price input? Full price, area price. Yeah. So we need to create like a view here. First input will be rooms, and this will be select input. Select input. Let's delete this like this. Let's see. Okay, we have something. Okay, now let's first of all get rid of these names, and let's just, how many rooms should we have? Option like maximum 10. Let's go. Let's create an interface. For props and item name. strange. What's wrong? Okay, it needs the argument, item name, and it's like room. Okay, room. We have rooms and room. What is here by default? Okay, we don't need to display a placeholder here, I guess. Oh, that's no good, actually. So, item name. Okay, room should be value. Room number should be value, actually. Okay, for now we will not apply room filtering, but for the sake of UI, we will just finish it. Okay, and also we need to round this, style this input. Let's see if Tailwindcss class works on this, and it does not. Okay. I'm trying to style the material UI component and struggling with it. I'm just trying to remove this focus on this component. Okay, let's see. Too much code here. Oh no, like this is much worse. So that's the thing, like when you are dealing with styling, it takes much time. Like already took a while editing this component. That's why I don't like dealing too much with CSS and the styling components and stuff like that. It like steals your time. But yeah, it's kind of still important. You can't run away from it. So just I want this to disappear. This thick border. Why is it? Okay, it disappeared at least, but yeah, I mean, the red color is not what we want here. No, now it's blue color. Okay. Let's do it gray color. Yeah, I think this is better. We can live with this, okay? So let's fix the spacing here. Rooms should be lower. Font should be, text should be smaller. So, where is it? Our advanced search. So, margin top 3. Let's check. Let it be margin top 4, I guess. Okay. Okay, let it be like this for now. Okay, we can live with this. I guess maybe a little bit margin bottom to this paragraph. Okay. Not top, but bottom, margin bottom. Okay. So we need similar input for bathrooms. This one, bathrooms, okay. Too much gap here. Maybe like this. It's like rooms, bathrooms. Okay. Maybe even make it a little bit smaller. The width of this input. Maybe make it 250. I don't know, this is different. Or no. Okay, so make it 250. I think it's better. 250 is better. Yeah, we have rooms, bathrooms. What else do we need? Bedrooms and okay, let it be like this for now, and let's move on to amenities, which is more interesting. We have to use a lot of checkboxes and apply filters in our Zustand store, so it will be much more interesting, I guess. So at the same time, I need to monitor these dropped frames so we don't crash while streaming. Okay, so how should we approach this? We need to display many checkboxes, amenities. So need to create type for amenities and also const for like constant value of array consisting of the amenities that we will display, and we will map through them and grab each of it from the store for each house. No, just in general. Apply filters. Okay, this will be interesting, challenging. So first let's make a list of the amenities that we will filter. Also need to create select component, checkbox component. Let's create checkbox here. Also, not to forget re-export select input. What's this? Okay, from. Okay, so go to checkbox, create index.ts file, create checkbox.tsx file. Okay, now let's check checkbox component, basic checkboxes. We can take this one, basic ones. We don't need something special. So it's like almost similar. Yeah, checkboxes. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's pretty simple, straightforward, I see. Let's see. So basically we just need to import checkbox from material UI. Okay, interesting. So they are suggesting if you have multiple options appearing in a list, you can preserve space by using checkboxes instead of on-off switches. If you have a single option, avoid using checkbox and use on-off switch. Let's take a look at the switch. Yeah, we don't need switch. We need definitely checkbox. Yeah, I just wonder about this label variable. Explain to me label variable. Okay, let's see. Accessibility. Structure breakdown, input props. Input props, this is a prop. The material UI components used to pass attributes to the underlying input element. Area label. Okay, let's just check this checkbox. It takes props, checkbox props. Area label, this accessibility attribute that provides a label for screen readers. Okay. Okay, when you use label in checkbox, when you use label in checkbox component, you're using the spread operator to pass all properties from the label object. It's equivalent to writing. Okay, I got it. That's pretty straightforward, but the question is for me, like, what is in the label object? Okay. Let's test this by adding here too many things. Now I just want to test this by styling. Okay, so it works basically. I set color to red, so it becomes red. So now it's understandable. It's very useful. I like it. Material UI is cool, I think. So now back to business. Like, we need to create constants now. Consts. Yes. Amenities. Amenities. Also. Export const. Amenities. Okay, so what do we need here? Which amenities do we need? Let's take a look at our data file. Houses. What does it have? Okay, it has amenities. Different amenities. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty straightforward, I guess. Let's just have a list here. This list, whichever is on this website. Air condition. Let's make life easier. And ask Claude to do it. Okay, we just need this. Let's export it as const. This. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the number is correct. Structure here, search property. What does it mean, search property? I think we don't need this. Okay, cable TV. Ceiling height. Okay, let it be like this. And let's map over it, amenities, map. This is something wrong here. Okay, so we are amenity. We need to display the paragraph next to a checkbox. I guess this name should be the value coming from here. Okay, let's ask Claude. Correct. Not that hard to understand this. a little bit default styles, I guess. We don't need something else. And the default is this, and I'm okay with it. So we need to display the amenity. So maybe do something like this. Yeah, right, we're not passing the argument. Argument will be amenity. I think we don't need index. Okay, so yeah, this looks terrible, I guess. This should be maybe flex rep or something like this. Still not good. Maybe grid columns like 4. No. Let's just see how it looks. Okay, this looks actually better. First of all, I think, yeah, let's center the beside the checkbox. Let's make it look better. Item center we need for sure. Yeah, item center is good. Gap is too big, I guess. Let's make it like 2. Maybe no gap. Yeah. It's good like this. And also, let's make the text smaller. Like, text should be like 16 pixels, I guess. Maybe make the website visible a little bit, so it will be more interesting. So text, I think 14 is cool. No, 14 is too low, maybe 16 still. 16. Okay, 16. And the gap is still big. Let's re-export this, search. Okay, let's set grid columns to 6, like in the original design. Let's see where it takes us. Okay, this is looking better. Now I think somehow we need to adjust the gap between these. It's not working. I don't think this will make it smaller gap. Actually, it makes it bigger. Actually, right. The, this checkbox components margin may be a little bit too much. Actually, no. Okay, so issue is with padding. If we set it to 4, it looks okay. I feel like, yeah, so the color, let's change the color. Gray 700 is okay, or 8. I think 800 is okay. And I don't like that it's too thick. No. Let's see, maybe it's possible to... Okay, stroke width. We need to adjust the stroke width of this checkbox. Maybe it helps. Mm, 1 pixel. Red. Okay. It's 1 pixel, but still kind of looks too thick. So I don't like this. What can we do with this? Like, it should look like this, like super thin. So what can we do with this? Maybe I should add these properties as well. Unchecked state, so it's different states. I mean, I don't think we can set 0.5 pixels, but still, let's try. Actually, we can. Whoa. Never heard of this. That we can do this. Okay, what did we set to 0 actually? No. Okay, let it be like this, I guess. Better than nothing. Okay, I guess we can move to filtering now. Applying filters, making this work. In next stream, we will do like this, for example. This opens. We'll fix small issues like this one. This drop down opens, and when pressed anywhere else, it should close. We'll fix this type of things. Also, I want to make this hero section like parallax effect. So once you scroll, it scrolls like parallax with parallax effect smoothly. I think it will go good with this. So okay, let's move on to our store and start applying a checkbox filter. Okay, what do we have? House filters. We have house filters, amenities. Amenities, we need this one. Okay. Amenity, we have it here, I guess. Okay, so we have this amenities filter which will check if the new filters amenities are existing and if its length is more than 0. So we're gonna filter the houses. We will return every house that includes the amenity, existing current amenity. So I guess this should work. So let's test this. So what do we need? We need on click to apply this amenity to filter the existing one. So our search checkbox should have the on click prop. On click. Click prop, and I just wonder, no, I guess this on click should be here or in the label object. That's the question. Let's ask Claude to be sure about this. Okay, we can do this either way, both approaches work, however it's generally cleaner to handle click events in JSX rather than label object. Agree? Agree with this. So okay, let's just add on click here so it will be more readable. Okay, so the on click what should the on click do? It should update the store and push this amenity, current amenity. So let's take a look at the store. We have this function, update filters. We have the update filters here, so let's pass like this. Update filters, and how should we should like this amenities, and this should be amenity. What does it want? Is okay. Type string. Okay, interesting. So Okay, interesting. Let's see what amenities do we have here. Okay, let's try pool. We have one house, the pool. Where is the pool? Okay, it's written differently. Swimming pool, okay. Swimming pool. Okay, filtered. Let's try now something different. Wi-Fi, for example. Okay, and if we choose Wi-Fi, should see house in Chicago as well. No, we don't. So okay, so it overwrites the existing filters, the same issue that we had with other fields. So let's deal with this. Okay, so we have filtered state houses, and basically this amenity is not in the array. It's being like used as single. It's being used like a single amenity, I guess. So here we amenities. Okay, interesting. So basically, how are we updating filters of amenities filters? We are updating like this on click. So we are overwriting. We need to push this. What if we do like this? Nope. So here we are filtering houses, and for each house we're using new filters, amenities. Basically we are looping through amenities. For every amenity, we return a house. But the problem is we always have one amenity, so we need to the issue is here, like storing amenities, like we need an array. That's the problem. Once we fix this, this will be fixed. So how should we do this? Okay, just for the sake of trying, let me try this. Yeah, interesting. Okay, I wasted too much time on this, I think. Yeah, right. Get the current amenities from the store. toggle the amenity, add if not present, remove if already. Right. I think let's better create a kind of a helper function. Actually, I cannot do this here. I think so. Yeah. Actually, it makes sense to put this inside the store, I guess. This toggle amenity function here. Actually, it doesn't work. But the thing is, like, it does not overwrite anymore. Previously it would. Okay, let's see. So this receive the amenity. We get the current filters. So new amenities. If current amenities includes this amenity, then we remove it. If not, we update it. Then we update filters. That's the problem here, I think. When we update the filters, but it's still strange. Well, why does it do it? Actually, it updates with okay, let's just console log it. Current amenities. And also the new amenities. Okay. So swimming pool, let's click it. Current amenities is empty, true. New amenities become swimming pool, true. Now let's click Wi-Fi. Okay, current amenities, swimming pool, true. New amenities, swimming pool and Wi-Fi. So it works, like it does what we want. But the question is, why doesn't it display it the way we want? And I think we need to check the hero section, no, featured property component. I think we need to log the houses. Okay. Date filters, amenities. Amenities. Okay, so we're what are we doing? Update. We're running update filters functions with correct amenities. So what are we checking? That's the question. So amenities. This, yeah, we need this. So basically we are mapping over filtered, correct, and for each house we are filtering amenities. Interesting. And so amenities. Okay. Okay, let's just log everything there. Okay. GitHub Copilot understood what we want. Maybe he will understand here as well. No. Okay, let it be like this. So, okay, interesting. So we marked swimming pool, and what do we have here? We are logging amenity here. So new filters, amenities. This should log only swimming pool. Okay, it logs only swimming pool. And here we should log house amenities. So for each house we should check its amenities. Yeah, okay. And it returns the house with the pool. Okay, this works. Now we click Wi-Fi. Amenity, swimming pool, swimming pool. Amenity Wi-Fi. So I guess at this point here we should have array with a swimming pool and Wi-Fi. But I don't see such thing. Amenity. Maybe we should put it to array like this. No, it's array anyway. Okay, amenity. It's weird. Crazy. It's crazy. So we see correctly array with two amenities, two checked amenities. We are mapping over the currently filtered houses for each house. What's this new filters? New filters is okay. Current filters, basically. Okay, so amenities. So we are filtered houses. For each house, for each filtered house, currently filtered house, we are looping through amenities. Looping through amenities and for each amenity. So we log this and it's correctly like array full of checked amenities. It's correct. So for each amenity, like for example swimming pool, for swimming pool we are returning a house which amenities include the swimming pool. And I saw it worked, but the issue is it ignores for example, I checked Wi-Fi. It checked in every house except the house that has Wi-Fi. Why, I wonder? Crazy. Why it checks every house except the house that needs to be checked for every amenity. So I think instead of I think here should be wait for every amenity we should loop through all the houses. But basically we are looping through all the houses. It's crazy. We are looping through all the houses and checking amenities if the house includes amenity. Checking every amenity. Okay, so basically what happens is, okay, swimming pool, it goes to the house that has swimming pool, it checks. It checks. This will be true only if it includes every amenity. So this house that has swimming pool, it will check. Does it include swimming pool? It does. Does it include pool? It does not. So that's the problem. If I click some here, swimming pool, okay, Wi-Fi, amazing, it works. Okay, garden, it works. Crazy, but it's the best feeling when you finally found solution. So now let's populate more so we can test it. It was crazy. I think like at least 30 minutes I spent time finding this issue. My brain like is exploding and it feels nice. I don't even have energy for emotions, like tired after all this thinking, heavy thinking. So crazy. Air condition. Okay, air condition. Swimming pool. Wi-Fi, amazing. So in future when populating houses, like I guess I need to stick to these amenities that we have in Skansts, so everything will be great. And everything will work. Amazing. So basically, except that, I think this is done. Filter is done. Bedrooms type, we're gonna make this work. It's not that urgent, I guess. And yeah, for today that's it. We're gonna maybe in next stream work on the refs and parallax effect and make this more beautiful, and also make the search so it's just does not instantly apply it, but after user presses search then it applies it. So yeah, let's okay, so if that's the bug, okay, it just, if unchecked, it does not clear the filter. Okay, that's the thing to fix on next stream as well. So I guess that's it for today. See you